The expansion method is one of the four major components of the refrigeration system. It plays a role in throttling, lowering pressure, and regulating the flow of smartphones entering the evaporator. Compared to other throttling devices such as capillaries and thermal expansion valves. Electronic spray method, under precise control. Quick sound. There are significant advantages in terms of width, adjustment, and system energy saving combined. Frequency converter technology.
It has been increasingly widely used.
Taking the fixed motor type electronic spray method as an example. The system first collects the pressure and temperature at the vaporizer outlet. Convert and calculate the superheat at the evaporator exit. Then, according to the pre-set-up control program, send an electric pulse signal not only to the motor but also to the electronic expansion valve. Not only does this cause the motor to rotate, moving the valve pin up and down to regulate the valve opening, thus achieving precise control of the refrigeration machine's flow rate, maintaining a stable superheat at the evaporator exit.
Take the most widely used direct actuated electronic expansion valve as an example.
It consists of a removable electronic winding and valve body. The valve body is composed of an external case, internal components, and a valve seat. The external case of the valve body is a tube with internal magnetite, a stator nut, and a valve pin fixed on the valve seat. The electronic winding and permanent magnetite stator form a step motor. A step motor is a device that converts electrical pulse signals into mechanical positions. When the electronic winding receives pulse current from the controller, due to the magnetic effect of electric current, coil, this generates a magnetic field. Attract the rotor of the permanent magnet to rotate. According to the principle of electromagnetic induction, it can achieve the instantaneous timing of swimming, or the consciousness needle moves. For example, following this power-on sequence, when four ancestors are connected at once, the permanent magnet will follow the trend of truth one by one. Rotate 90 degrees. On the contrary, when the four old resistances are passed in reverse order, the swimming magnet will rotate 90 degrees against 10 needles. The electron expansion method is based on the principle of non-stop motors. Made deeper and more refined applications improve the control accuracy of the rotor's corner. We added a few hundred more outside the coil. When the coil is powered on, the claws will basically gather magnetic lines, generating N and S levels. When receiving the current pulse signal each time, the rotor will rotate at the set angle. For example, this kind of 4-box 8-pack scooter motor with 40 claws only rotates 4.5 degrees each time. The accuracy has been significantly improved. After the rotor parts and the magic needle parts are welded together by the aurora, the winding drives the rotors to generate a magnetic field. Within the solenoid, there is a rotating movement. This converts into up and down motion. As the circulating area of the smart device changes continuously, it achieves the purpose of controlling the flow rate. That's the basic principle of the direct-acting electronic expansion valve. By not only precisely driving the motor, but also achieving precise control over the smart device's flow rate through its operation. It provides core support for the high efficiency and energy-saving technology of the power generation heat pump system.